Two complex numbers are u is equal to 1 take away root 3I, and the other one is v is 2 cis 3 pi by 4. We want the argument of uv. So the first thing I would do is convert 1 minus root 3I into polar form. So whereabouts is that? 1 across and root 3 down. So that's here. So 1 and root 3, and just in case we need it later on, that means the modulus is 2. Made that very clear. And that means that this would be pi by 3. Now think about where it is. It's in this quadrant down here. So u is actually 2 cis negative pi by 3. So uv, we're just going to do 3 pi by 4. And if we're multiplying, we're going to add negative pi by 3. So that's 9 pi by 12. Take away 4 pi by 12. And that's going to give me 5 pi by 12. Simplify the modulus of u times the conjugate of u times the reciprocal of v. So this is actually quite easy, but let's just step it through anyway. So what we're doing is 2 cis negative pi by 3. The conjugate of that would be 2 cis pi by 3, and then the reciprocal of v would be a half cis negative 3 pi by 4. We don't need to worry about the argument. So basically that's just 2 times 2 times a half, which is 2. And then we want to determine z in polar form if 3zv is equal to u squared. So that's 3 times z times v, which is 2 cis 3 pi by 4, is equal to u squared, and u squared would be 4 cis negative 2 pi by 3. So z is going to be, so 3 times 2 is 6 here, so it's going to be 4 over 6, and then we're going to have cis negative 2 pi by 3 over cis 3 pi by 4. So that's 2/3 cis. Now let's think about that. So we've got negative 2 pi by 3. Take away 3 pi by 4. So put them over 12. And that's negative 8 pi, negative 9 pi. So that's negative 17 pi by 12, but of course we can't give it as that because that's not in the right range. So think about negative 17 pi by 12, so it's kind of here, going around that way, and so this way would be 5 pi by 12. So that's 2/3 cis 5 pi by 12. Hold on, that's not right. Be 7 pi by 12, wouldn't it? Because 5 pi by 12 would be sort of here. 6 pi by 12 is actually there, so it'll be 7 pi by 12. That's right, because 7 and 17 makes 24. 24 pi by 12 is 2 pi. That's better.